How's it going, everybody? So today we're going to talk about the July vlog challenge. Stick around. In the month of July, I'm going to challenge you guys, as well as my buddy James Mathis Jr, to vlog or video and post every single day. So we're going to try this, and I hope you guys are going to join us on this challenge. I know that it's going to be something totally different for me because, as you're aware, I don't post regularly. I'm just trying to get into this thing, so I think this is really going to help me kind of jump out of my comfort zone. In the month of July, I'm going to try to video something. It might be like a minute video. It might be a 6, 7, 8 minute video. I don't really know. Just kind of depends on how the day goes, how much footage I get. And so yeah, July vlog challenge. We're going to challenge you guys. Let's create a hashtag. We'll do hashtag, we'll just say July vlog challenge. How about that? And include that in your videos, and so link them to us, comment on my videos, like your video, and also share it with James Mathis Jr. Tag him in it if you want to, whatever. But we want to see you guys' videos. We're excited. So I just wanted to jump on here and kind of do a little quick video. So we'll see you guys in the month of July. I'm excited. Let's do this. Here we go. Let's do it. You, right there. Yes, you. Let's get it done. Bye.